Hello guys, today we will discuss about how to make Windows 7 bootable USB. The same method will work for Windows 8 and Windows 10. We will need two software and one USB that should be minimum 8 gigabytes. One Rufus software will be required for that, and of course Windows 7 ISO file. So let's start. Here you make sure you select ISO image and select file. Here we are selecting the ISO file. You can rename whatever if you like and start. OK. It is creating bootable USB for us. It will take minimum 5 to 10 minutes. So let me pause this video and come back again. Hello guys, I am back now. It is successfully created for us, and close this window and go to computer. Let's check it's working or not. Click on the setup icon. Yes, it is successfully created. Now you can install your Windows 7 directly from this USB, and it takes half an hour to complete your Windows 7 installation. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I will create video like this, and I will also create video for how to install Windows 7 from USB. So that's it for today. Thank you.